Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee or MPCC Election Committee will meet on December 29th to finalize the list of as many as 40 candidates of the first list to recommend to the All India Congress Committee for their approval. Informing this, MPCC Chief Vincent H. Pala said that announcement of the first list of candidates will only be done as and when the elections are declared by the Election Commission. On the future of the state Congress after mass exodus of sitting MLAs, he said that the party has as many as 16 sitting MDCs, ex-MDCs, ex-MLAs and the other new ones are contesting. Since 55% of the sitting MLAs usually do not win again, they have a good chance. It may be mentioned that there was a mass exodus of Congress MLAs to TMC last year and the remaining 5 were suspended for extending their support to the NPP-led MDA coalition.
Names which we are recommending. So tentative on 29, the names from PEC, from MPCC will be finalized and sent to Delhi subject to their approval. The names, the candidates will be declared by AICC.